Question 2A, define the term market share. So when we talk about market share, it's the total brand sale divided by the total market sale multiplied by 100. The percentage of what a brand is able to sell in the whole market. That is what market share is. I think it's clear.
You get the mark only for writing the formula?
Yeah, sure. You get the 2 marks. Write the formula or define it. Go to question B. Calculate to 2 decimal place the percentage change in the number of school meals donated by Mindful Chef between 2020 and 2021. In 2020 it was 4.2. In 2021 it was 4.7. So 4.7 minus 4.2 multiplied by 4.2 gives us multiplied by 100 gives us 11.9. Clear? So for question 1A and 1B, 1A, 1B, done. Sorry, 2A, 2B, done. Question 2C. It said, analyze 2 factors that are likely to determine the pricing strategy used by UK businesses supplying food boxes. First, what is pricing strategy? Pricing strategy is a situation whereby price is used for the marketing purpose or reaching the objective of a business. So just to determine the amount of the price you charge in the market, that is what pricing strategy is about. Either it's competitive pricing, predatory pricing, price scheming, penetrating pricing, cost plus pricing, or psychological pricing. So whichever target, whichever one you want to use, whichever objective you want to reach will determine the kind of pricing strategy you use. So a strategy is just a plan to achieve a long-term objective. So a pricing plan to achieve the business objective is called pricing strategy. I think it's clear. So factors that may determine the pricing strategy used by UK businesses supplying food boxes are as follows. 1, the extent to which there is competition in that market. So that means the level of competition in that market. That's 1.
The pricing.
First, you have to talk about the level of competition. So here in the case study, we have Mindful Chef is one of the 3 main suppliers in the market, which means customers have choices to make. There's substitutes. So there are substitutes. As a result, Mindful Chef might use competitive pricing. So you get the point here.
What competitive pricing is?
When you charge a price, when you set a price almost the same or lower a bit than your competitors, that is competitive pricing. So in a competitive market, it is advisable to use a competitive pricing. That's the first point. Then the other one I wrote is about USP, product differentiation. So Mindful Chef differentiates its product or service by providing wide range of vegetarian and gluten-free food boxes. This may allow it to charge a premium price, as it means certain trends in the society are met. So here you can find it's a competitive market, right? So you can find a unique selling point. And the unique selling point is product differentiation. Differentiate your product from those of your competitors. If you are able to do that, you might be able to charge a higher price.
I thought Mr. only penetrating, face oil, psychological, all these normal pricing strategies, not USP. Can we use them all?
Product, a USP means unique selling point, right?
But USP is a factor of pricing.
Yeah. Product differentiation. You are able to, when you differentiate your product, you charge a higher price. You get the point here. It's a competitive market, but it doesn't mean that you have to charge the same price like others. You might find a way to make your product different from those of your competitors. That is, you are finding a unique selling point. Unique selling point. Why the price of your product is different from those of your competitors. So through the gluten-free food boxes or the vegetarian things that it does makes it different from those of the competitors. So you just have to find a way of selling your product better than your competitors. That is unique selling point. And unique selling point comes with product differentiation. Is it clear? That's question 2C. Then we go to D. Discuss the advantage to the owners of Mindful Chef of using surveys collected from their family and friends. First, when we talk about survey, it's a primary research, right? So survey is an example of a primary research. Primary research is a first-hand research carried out by the researcher to meet the specific needs of the business. That is primary research. Now that you've defined it, you have to talk about the benefit of primary research. So the benefit of using surveys collected from friends and family are as follows. 1, It helps mindful chef to gain insight on customers' preferences, as this allows it to make adjustments if necessary before the final launching. So because you are using a survey, it gives you the opportunity to have in-depth analysis, views about
What they
the products are. So from a feedback from your customer, from the families. So whatever is needed to do to adjust in terms of your recipe, you'll be able to do that before you finally launch the product. That's the first advantage. 2, it is cost effective. How is it cost effective? I wrote, using surveys from friends and family will be more cheaper than surveys of the general public. Do you get the point here? Amount of money you are going to even spend. And that also keeps the product away from competitors. As a result, become the first to launch such a product in the market. So mindful chef might be able to enjoy the advantage of a first mover. Why? Because the product is not known to the public.
Yes.
If it has done the survey with the public, some of its competitors might be part of the public.
Yeah.
And they might gain advantage even launching the product before mindful chef does. Do you understand? So that's how it is cost effective. Is it clear? The third one, friends and family may be able to give a honest feedback, as they want mindful chef to succeed, because their friends and family, they are attached. They might want mindful chef to succeed, so they might give their honest opinion about the recipe.
And they don't have to wait for a late response.
Yes, it is the time frame will be shorter. So feedback will be prompt and swift. So, however, friends and family may give a biased feedback if there is fear of conflict within the family. So I might be scared to tell my brother how the product looks like. I become subjective for the fact that I don't want him to get angry or her to get angry. Do you understand? So this may lead to mindful chef launching the wrong recipes, which is not good for the business, right? 2, surveys from friends and family cannot be generalized as it does not represent the majority group of customers. It's friends and family, they're just small group. Yeah, you can get a quicker feedback, but it's not representative.
Yes.
Is it clear? That's question 2D. Go to 2E.